Good morning children, welcome to St. Claret online classes. Every day we learn IIT chemistry in 7th class. What is first unit children? What is first unit? Basic terminology. Basic terminology. First concept terms in chemistry over second concept electropositivity and electronegativity over third concept valence also. Fourth concept, what is fourth concept children? Oxidation states are oxidation numbers. Before class we learned some rules. How many rules? I think 6 rules. What is first rule? The sum of the oxidation number of all elements equals to 0. What is example of rule number 1? Potassium permanganate KMnO4. In given compound, in potassium permanganate, sum of the oxidation number of all atoms equals to 0. That is first rule. What is second rule children? What is second rule? The oxidation number of elementary forms is always 0. That is second rule. Elementary forms H2, N2, O2, Br2, Cl2, I2, S8, P4, S8. So those all are elementary forms. Next rule number 3. The oxidation number of alkali metals. The oxidation number of alkali metals. Alkali metals mean first group elements. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Oxidation number is always +1. Next, fourth rule. The oxidation number of alkali earth metals, second group elements, always +2. Oxidation number always +2. What is which elements is there in second group element children? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. So oxidation number +2. Next, rule number 5. What is rule number 5 children? Generally hydrogen oxidation number +1. But except metal hydrates. Metal hydrates means sodium hydrate, magnesium hydrate. Those all are metal hydrates. In oxidation number of hydrogen -1. Generally hydrogen oxidation number +1. So except metal hydrates, hydrogen oxidation number -1. We learn some examples also. Next, how many rules over 5 rules? 5 rules or 6th rule. What children? The oxidation number of fluorine. Oxidation number of fluorine is always -1. In halogen family, which group? Halogen family means 7th group. 7th group oxidation number always -1. Chlorine, bromine, iodine. So if you take any element, oxidation number -1. Next, rule number 7. What is rule number 7? What is rule number 7 children? Rule number 7. The general oxidation number of oxidation oxygen is always -2, except peroxides, superoxides, oxyfluorides and ozonides exhibit different oxidation state in oxygen. So generally the oxidation number of oxygen -2 except peroxides, superoxides, oxyfluorides and ozonides. So the example of oxidation number of oxygen -2. What is examples? For example, sodium react with oxygen Na2O. Now in this compound find the oxidation number of oxygen. Always find 2 into sum of what is rule number 1? The sum of the oxidation number are equals to 0. So here how many sodium elements is there? 2 sodium, 2 Na plus, this is example 1, plus oxygen. Sum of the oxidation number are equals to 0. So sodium which group element? First group element children. So first group metal oxidation number +1. Sodium oxidation number +1 plus 0 equals to 0. Sorry Nana, oxygen equals to 0. So 2 plus 2 1 are 2 plus 2 equals to 0. So therefore oxygen equals to -2. Oxidation number equals to -2. This is example of general oxygen, general compounds. Next example 2, magnesium oxide. In this compound, oxygen oxidation number minus 2. So here magnesium plus oxygen equals to 0. Rule number 1. What is rule number 1? Sum of the oxidation number is always 0. Sum of the all atoms oxidation number are equals to 0. That's why sum of the elements are equal to 0. So Mg plus oxygen equal to 0. Magnesium oxidation number, you know what is magnesium oxidation number, children? Plus 2. Magnesium oxidation number plus 2. So here plus 2 oxygen. Now you find oxidation number of oxygen. That's why right acid is oxygen equals to 0. So oxygen equals to minus 2. In this compound, oxidation number equals to minus 2. Then another example, Al2O3, aluminum trioxide. Al2O3. Sum of the, what is rule number 1? The sum of the oxidation number of all elements are equals to 0. So here 2 aluminum is there, Al plus 3 oxygens, sum of the oxidation number are equals to 0. So here aluminum which element? Nana third group element. So oxidation number of aluminum plus 3. 2 into plus 3 plus here 1 oxygen is there, 3 oxygens equal to 0. So here 2 is a plus 6 plus 3 oxygens equals to 0. This one goes to right side. So the 3 oxygens equals to minus 6. Therefore oxygen equals to minus 6 by 3. 3 ones are 3 2s. Here oxidation number of oxygen are equals to minus 2. This is examples of general oxygen oxidation number is always minus 2. Except now we are discussed exception. Except which one? Except means peroxides, superoxides, oxyfluorides, ozonides. In this all compounds, oxygen exhibit different oxidation number. What is rule number 7 now? The oxidation number of general oxygen is always minus 2 except peroxides, superoxides, oxyfluorides and ozonides. Now we have discussed first one, peroxide. Write down notes now. Peroxides. First we have discussed peroxide. Peroxides mean O2 minus 2. O2 minus 2 or O minus 1 minus O minus 1. This bond is called peroxy bond. So two oxygen atoms bonded with single bond. Two oxygen atoms bonded with single bond. Is called peroxy bond. Peroxides mean two oxygen atoms bonded with single bond like this. This is two oxygen atoms bonded with single bond. This bond is called peroxy bond. Examples of peroxy. In peroxides, oxidation number minus 1. I think I will prove that now. First example, peroxides. First example, hydrogen peroxide. First example, hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide means H2O2. This is example 1 for peroxides. Second example, hydrogen peroxide. Second example, sodium peroxide. Second one, sodium peroxide means Na2H2. Na2O2. This is sodium peroxide. This is hydrogen peroxide. So now find the oxidation number of oxygen with hydrogen peroxide and find the oxidation number of oxygen in sodium peroxide. First, what is rule number 1? The sum of the oxidation number are equals to 0. First you should write bonds. HOOH. This is peroxy bond. Two oxygen elements bonded with a single bond. This bond is called peroxy bond. What is rule number 1? The given compound, sum of the oxidation number of all atoms equals to 0. bond. This is peroxy bond. So sum of the oxidation number are equals to 0. In this compound, how many hydrogens is there, children? 2 hydrogens. 2H plus. So here how many oxygens is there? 2 oxygens equals to 0. This is oxygen, not 0, oxygen. So here hydrogen oxidation number, general hydrogen oxidation number plus 1, except metal hydride. In metal hydride, hydrogen oxidation number minus 1. In general hydrogen oxidation number plus 1. So hydrogen oxidation number plus 1 plus 2 into oxygen equals to 0. Here 2 plus 2 1 2 plus 2 plus 2 into oxygen equals to 0. Here you want the oxidation number, that's why the as we should write like this. So 2 plus 2 goes to this side, convert to minus 2. So oxygen equals to minus 2 by 2. That equals to 1. Therefore, in peroxides, oxygen oxidation number minus 1. Keep in your mind. In peroxides, oxygen oxidation number minus 1. Keep in your mind. General oxygen oxidation number minus 2. Except peroxides, superoxides, oxyfluorides and ozonides. Now we are discussing peroxides. Peroxides mean, what is peroxides? 2 oxygen atoms bonded with a single bond is called peroxy bond. Examples of peroxides: hydrogen peroxide, sodium peroxide. In hydrogen peroxide, we take peroxides, the oxidation number minus 1. Keep in your mind. General oxidation number minus 2. Except peroxides, superoxides, oxyfluorides and ozonides. So here hydrogen peroxides exhibit oxidation number minus 1. Next we are discussing the second example. Here how many sodiums is there? Na. This is peroxy bond, Na. Sum of the oxidation number equals to 0 according to rule number 1. So here how many sodium elements is there? 2 sodium. 2 Na plus how many oxygens is there? 2 oxygens equals to 0. Here sodium which group element? First group. So oxidation number plus 1. 2 into plus 1 plus 2 into oxygen equals to 0. Here 2 1 2. Plus 2 into oxygen equals to 0. So here plus 2 down right side convert to minus 2. So oxygen equals to minus 2 by 2 equals to minus 1. In sodium peroxide, oxidation number equals to minus 1. Oxidation number minus 1. This is peroxides. In peroxides, oxidation number minus 1. In peroxides, oxidation number minus 1. General compounds, oxidation number minus 2. Except peroxides, superoxides, oxyfluorides and ozonides. In peroxides, first step, peroxides exhibit in oxidation number of oxygen equals to minus 1. Keep in your mind. Peroxides oxidation number what, children? Minus 1. Peroxides oxidation number what, children? Minus 1. General oxidation number minus 2. Keep in your mind. Next we are discuss second type. What is second type? Superoxides. Second one, superoxides. Second one, superoxides. Here 1 minus 1. There are superoxides mean minus 1. Superoxides. Okay. Superoxides. O minus 1. This is superoxides. In superoxides, oxygen exhibit some different oxidation number. In superoxide mean first one we take potassium superoxides. First we take potassium. Examples of superoxides. First we take potassium superoxide. Potassium superoxides. So potassium superoxides mean KO2. This is potassium superoxide. KO2. Potassium superoxides. Second example, sodium superoxide. Sodium superoxide. Sodium superoxide. Sodium superoxide means Na(O2). Sodium superoxide means Na(O2). In this compound, find the oxidation number of oxygen. Find the oxidation number of oxygen. So what is rule number 1? In given compound, sum of the oxidation number of all elements equals to 0. So now sum of the oxidation number are equals to 0. K plus how many oxygens is there here, children? 2 oxygens. 2O equals to K plus 2 into O equals to 0. Here K plus means potassium which group element? First group element. So oxidation number of potassium plus 1 plus 2 into O equals to 0. So here plus 1 goes to right side, convert to negative, positive charge convert to negative charge, minus 1. So O equals to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, in superoxide, oxygen oxidation number equals to minus 2. Keep in your mind, children. In peroxide, oxygen oxidation number minus 1. In superoxides, oxygen oxidation number minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Next example, sodium superoxide. Sodium superoxide. In this compound, what is rule number 1? In given compound, sum of the oxidation number of all elements equals to 0. So here sodium plus 2 into O equals to 0. Here sodium oxidation number, sodium which group element? First group element. So oxidation number plus 1 plus 2 into, now you find the oxidation number of oxygen. That's why O has to oxygen has to right here. So here 2 into oxygen equals to plus 1 convert to minus 1. Oxygen equals to minus 1. In sodium superoxide, in oxygen oxidation number equals to minus 1 by 2. Okay, now keep in your mind. Generally oxygen oxidation number minus 2. General oxygen oxidation number minus 2. So except peroxides, superoxides, oxyfluorides and ozonides. Now before we are learned what learned before? First peroxides. In peroxides, oxygen oxidation number minus 1. In superoxides, oxygen oxidation number minus 1 by 2. Keep in your mind, children. Next we are going to third type. What is third type? Oxyfluorides. Third one, oxyfluorides. Oxyfluorides are two types. Oxyfluorides are divided into two types. Oxyfluorides mean oxyfluorides divided into two types. First one, difluoride. First type. Second type, oxydifluoride. Oxydifluorides are two types: dioxydifluorides, oxydifluorides. Oxyfluorides are two types: dioxydifluorides, oxydifluorides. Dioxydifluorides mean O2F2. Oxyfluorides mean OF2. Keep in your mind. Oxyfluorides are divided into two types: dioxydifluorides, oxydifluorides. In dioxydifluorides, find the oxidation number of oxygen. First one, how is finding oxidation number of oxygen in this dioxydifluoride? If this is compound, the sum of the oxidation number of all elements equals to 0 according to first rule. So here in this compound O2F2, sum of the oxidation number are equals to 0 like this. 2 into O plus 2F equals to 0. What do you want here? You find the oxidation number of oxygen. So here like same you should write oxygen. Fluorine. Fluorine already we discussed fluorine which will be in halogen family. Halogen family oxidation number of fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, acid -1. Keep in your mind. Here fluorine oxidation number -1 equals to 0. Here 2 oxygens plus -2 equals to 0. Here 2 oxygens -2 goes to that side plus 2. Oxygens equals to plus 2 by 2. Both are cancelled plus 1. In dioxy difluorides, oxidation number equals to plus 1. Oxyfluorides are 2 types. Dioxy difluorides, oxy difluorides. Dioxy difluorides mean O2F2. Oxyfluorides mean OF2. Now here also you find the oxidation number of oxygen. Now we find here how many atoms is there? 1 oxygen, 2 fluorines. 2 fluorines. What is rule number 1? Sum of the oxidation number of all atoms equals to 0 like this. So here O plus of fluorine oxidation number -1 equals to 0. Here 0 minus 2 oxygen -2 equals 0. Oxygen equals to plus 2. Oxygen in oxy difluoride, oxidation number are equals to plus 2. Okay, Nana? What is rule number 7? The oxidation number of oxygen -2 except peroxides, superoxides, oxyfluorides and ozonides. What is peroxide oxidation number of oxygen? Oxidation number of oxygen -2. Next superoxides plus 1 by 2. Next oxyfluorides 2 types. Dioxy difluorides, oxyfluorides. In dioxy difluorides oxidation number of oxygen plus 1. In oxy difluorides oxidation number of plus 2. Fourth one ozonides. Fourth one ozonides. Ozonides. Fourth one ozonides mean O3 minus ozonides. Okay. In ozonides, the oxidation number of oxygen is find O3 equals to sum of the oxidation number are equals to charge. Sum of the oxidation number are equals to charge -1. So here 3 oxygens equals to -1. Here oxygen oxidation number -1 by 3. One rule is there. Next we discussed in ozonides generally O3 minus. This is compound O3 minus. The sum of the oxidation number are equals to 0. Which time there is no charge in this given compound, but here one charge is there. That's why we write -1 here. Did you understand now? In ozonides mean O3 minus 1. Minus means minus. So here only one compound is one element is there. Ozonides mean O3. In given compound, sum of the oxidation number are equals to charge. Here some only one is oxygen only there here. So like this 3 into O oxygen equals to sum of the oxidation number is equal to charge. If any charge is there, no, that's why you should write charge. But there is no here any charge. That's why you should write 0. So here one charge is there. 1 minus 1. Oxygen equals to -1. -1 by 3. In ozonides, oxygen oxidation number equals to -1 by 3. -1 by 3. This is ozonides. So rule number 7, general oxygen oxidation number -2 except superoxides. Next peroxides. First one peroxides, second one superoxides, third one oxyfluorides, fourth one ozonides. In peroxide, oxygen oxidation number what children? Peroxides +1. Superoxides -1 by 2. Oxy difluorides are 2 types. Dioxy difluorides oxidation number +1. Oxyfluorides oxidation number +2. In ozonides oxygen oxidation number -1 by 3. Okay children, read properly, write notes. I give some bits. Do that worksheet bits. Okay children, thank you. See you tomorrow.